morning everyone. I am Lavita Sharma, mentor of Hospitality and Grooming Squad.
Hi, I'm Arushi Verma, a member of Hospitality and Grooming Squad.
Hi, I am Soham, the member of Hospitality and a Grooming Squad.
Today, we all gather here to celebrate World Mango Day.
We're going to do this by making a very delicious dish. Here's how to make a refreshing dessert using the exquisite flavors of a mango. The ingredients we need to make that dish are mango puree made of approximately 2 mangoes, a bowl of vermicelli, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 bed slices, 2 tablespoons of butters and a few dry nuts, finally chopped to perfection. Heat the pan and begin this culinary adventure by heating a tablespoon of clarified butter in a pan. As the butter melts to a golden shimmer, add the trio of almonds, cashew nuts and pistachios, finally chopped to perfection. You can add any nuts of your choice according to your preference. The pan sings with a symphony of flavors as you gently roast the nuts. Obtain their delightful crunch, a process that takes just 3 to 4 minutes. Once they reach the pinnacle of texture, transfer these delectable delights to a bowl. Now the spotlight shifts to the alluring vermicelli, allowing them to dance upon a medium-low flame until they don a warm shade of light brown. In the same pan, pour in 2 cups of full-fat milk. Now since the milk has boiled, let's add vermicelli. Gradually, they soften under your watchful gaze, preparing for their ultimate creamy transformation. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to use brown sugar for this recipe as it's way healthier. You can also use powdered mishri instead of sugar.
Now, as you are able to see that the milk starts boiling, this is the right time to add the mango puree. You can also use ripe mangoes instead of sugar. You take a moment to spread the sliced mango over the sandwiches, turning them to make it into a canvas of flavors awaiting the final touch. Now, we are going to cut the sandwiches diagonally. Now gently ladle the vermicelli over these sandwiches, creating an edible masterpiece that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. As a grand finale, adorn this divine creation with the roasted nuts.
Enjoy and thank you. Wishing you a very happy World Mango Day.